friends, this is Pallavi Mohan, and today we have with us Dr. Aruna Mohan, retired professor Delhi University, and she has made thousands of video programs for science and knowledge. Today we are here to hear about diabetes and sugar, and let's hear from her because COVID time everybody is eating a lot. So what should we do? Dr. Mohan, welcome and tell us, like, right now it's COVID time and people are just eating whatever they want. Like just now, I am about to show you a group of chocolates and sweet items which are right here, and I am planning to grab one of it. However, please suggest, is there an alternative? What should we do so that we are not getting attracted towards it, or is there any alternative to sugar or some chocolates?
Pallavi, I will never suggest anybody to have sweet foods like chocolate, cakes, ice cream, or aerated drinks, or juices full of sugar. Why? We all have heard about diabetes and blood sugar, and we need to keep away from this. So we have to keep away from sweet food or mithai. Once in a while you can have it, but don't make it a regular practice that you are having it every day. Instead, have better balanced diet, roughage, fibers like carrots, radish, salad leaves, and beetroot and vegetables. Instead of drink you are going to grab, instead you grab nibu pani or some soup which doesn't have sugar. In general, we have to maintain low sugar and low fat diet to keep healthy. This is our body, a wonderful machine. We should maintain it, and it communicates with us, and we should communicate with it. So, to keep diabetes and sugar away, please don't go for so much of sweets like chocolate.
Sure. Also would like to ask, like, what should be done? Those who tend to eat a lot of sweet, but is there an alternative which can cut sugar, or we should include that in our daily diet? Because some people have a sweet tooth, like I do, but I do couple of things which prevent me from diabetes. But would like you to suggest some home remedy which everybody can follow easily right now?
Best thing is to have homemade food. Our simple food, dal, chawal, sabzi, roti, raita, etc. is the best food for us. And then there are certain food items which are anti-sugar, and we should concentrate on it, like methi. Whether it is methi leaves, make methi sabzi in any way you like to, or karela. The way sabzi is made in your house, the karela sabzi, have it. Methi dana, use it for seasoning the vegetables, and sometimes if required you can put a spoon of methi seeds in glass of water and drink that water after few hours, or put in night and have in morning. This is anti-sugar. And our neem tree is medicinal plant. From root till leaf it is medicinal, and it is anti-sugar. So if you have neem plant nearby, have one or two leaves, eat it in the morning, not so many, just one or two. And you have heard about datul, do datul. That is soft stem of branches of neem. If you don't like datul, brush your teeth with the toothbrush and paste, and after that put datul in mouth for some time so that bitter taste comes. That is anti-sugar, antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant, and it will do all good for you. So that is also anti-sugar item. Then shalgam, it is also anti-sugar and it provides you fiber also. You can have it as vegetable or salads or in any form you like to. So if you think a bit before eating, you are going to have right food, and that will keep you away not only from diabetes and sugar but from many other diseases.
Sure, thank you for that. Also would like to ask another question. For example, if people eat a lot and diabetes do happen, so what? It's like, are there any medicines which can be taken and still people can enjoy their food? What are the problems related, and what if somebody really gets diabetes? So what actually?
See, diabetes is not a disease. It is malfunction of a hormone called insulin.
Mm-hmm.
So, if one has diabetes, insulin is to be given. And I will suggest, if anybody is diagnosed diabetes, please don't try to escape. Go to doctor, have your medicine, and your doctor will monitor it for you, how much medicine at what time, so that your body is not harmed by this particular disorder. But once you have diabetes, there is no other way than to take the medicine, that is hormone insulin only, and then keep away from sweet food and do more exercise. Exercise means you can go for a walk or participate in household work where your hands and legs and joints are moving. That will help you to keep away from blood sugar.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And these days, like everybody, since it's COVID time, so a lot of people have got rid of their, domestic help, support staff, drivers, and so, and they are doing all work by themselves, which is definitely a physical activity and would help us. For today, that's it, and would request you to subscribe, like our channel, and also we'll be sharing a lot of videos. If you want a particular video which is a particular concept of science or biology, do share with us and we will definitely make one video and answer on it and share it with you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.
Thank you.